We'll guide you through how to install Visual C++ in Windows 11 and 10. Just go and open your browser and type Microsoft Visual C++ on Google. Enter to search and open the first website. Now scroll down to this section right here. There are a few different links. In order to select the correct link, we need to check the system first. Just open your search from the taskbar and type system information. Open the first application. Now find the system type. As you can see here, I have an x64 based PC. Now from the links, I will select the x64 link and it will start downloading. After the download completes, run the setup. Make sure you agree to the terms and conditions and just click on Install. Confirm it, wait a while, and after the installation, you will just need to restart your PC. If somehow you can't install this version, let me give a link from where you can easily download all of the previous Visual C++ versions to easily install them. Go again to your browser, type Visual C++ all-in-one, and search. Open the first Tech Power Up link and download the files from this button right here. Select any of these servers to start the download. After the download completes, open the folder. You may need to extract it in Windows 10. Now install all of these downloaded Visual C++ versions like I've shown you before, and you are good to go. Game launchers like Steam and Epic Games automatically install the official Visual C++ versions when you download the game files. Just go and open your Steam. If you don't have it, you can install it from their official website. Now, from the Steam launcher, just select or search the game and click on this Install button. Select your drive and again click on Install. Accept the terms and the downloading will begin. From the bottom, click on Manage Downloads, and you will see a Steam Common Redistributables that has all of the required Visual C++ to run this game and other applications. It will automatically install them without requiring a restart.